Swanka avudi nalaga you entered in his inbox on TikTok ng'omukwana.
Swanka is stupid. Oyo musibe now. Swanka's type and I can't even get his that kind of thing.
But
answer from where not to other ladies not me.
So did you enter his inbox on TikTok?
Never.
You had a screenshot.
Not to let him show that evidence.
From Biswanka, another boy added, that is Chicken, said still you are in his inbox, dating him as well.
No. For Chicken, that time when I was pregnant, for Chicken, I just inboxed him like to help me and work on my news, like pregnant with viral one. Because I had two options before taking viral to police. I wanted to spoil his name on TikTok, or I take him to police. Then first option I tried using, but I saw like it was not working. That's why I had to go with that second option to go to the police. For Chicken, I just inboxed him, can you please do me this news, what I'm going to pay you, that's all. Only one message like this I sent.
So which other...
For Chicken, I can't date now.
Hey.
Chicken, you a chicken.
So which other celebrity or personality do you inbox by then?
I didn't inbox with a celebrity.
So for Biswanka...
I was the only person maybe I can talk to, but for any celebrity.
So for Biswanka, it's just blackmailing.
That one is just blackmailing. I think you want to make his name also.
Yeah.
Because you know it's not too famous. It's just there for young ladies.
Otandise okumanyira abayimbi b'eggwanga bw'otyo.
Biswanka gamba wamukwana.
Okay, tell me. Like, are you hearing Biswanka's name all in Uganda? It's just around Machinde, where?
Naye owaaye nabaddeko ne Vairota tayagala kwogera ku zino ensonga. Olowooza lwaki tayagala byogera?
And is feeling guilty. If you know you did something, there's like even though someone is to interview you, there's no way you can deny and also tell the truth. So you don't want to be interviewed because it's guilty. That's what I can say.
Ne ba social media in-laws nga bakuvumye.
Let them abuse us. I don't care.
Bagamba Vairota si gwe mukyala yali amusanga.
Toli type ye.
Nawe obiraba nga babyogera.
I see, not me, I don't care. Let people talk. That's like it's paining them. Not cutting. If I'm not virus type, why didn't Viral go for them? Then why did he come for me and left them?
But you look beautiful.
Don't they are saying I'm not beautiful. So that's their problem.
Babalowooza baddugavu tebaba beautiful ate ng'oli mulungi.
We are the real Africans.
Okay.
Ate ndowooza abakuvuma babeera mu filter.
No, cut for them. They be on filter. They don't want. You're abusing me. I tell you, using filter. So that's not having sense. Try to make a video without filter and see we compare
like you.
Ourselves.
So do you weegomba okuddamu ofuna omuyimbi yenna okwagala omuyimbi ku kino ky'otuuseeko?
I can get if I want. Now I don't want.
Owaaye kati enkya mugenda saamira mukomera ku poliisi. Ogenda genderako. Oyagala ssente?
Sagala ssente.
Kati ki ky'oyagala?
Nze mmanyi.
Oba oyagala akuwase?
Nze mmanyi kye njagala.
Osuubira okuyimba maaso eyo? Osuubira okuyimba?
For this condition I can sing. And I already have a song.
Wayingirira studio.
Go on internet to check.
Baluyita batya? Tuweka akapera.
You go on internet, you're going to see Fake Love.
Fake Love is the song.
Yeah.
Give us a
Just
freestyle.
go check.
Freestyle.
I can't give.
Who produced the song?
I just like we just did that song today and it's already out. Yeah. Go and check on my account. It's there.
Bakulomya batya ku account yo? Bateekamu ki?
One thing that we have combined my name and my boyfriend. Vairota, Sharon, Hachi. There's something there we made.
naye gwe nevaito namba mutuzanyira ku mitwe nga mutusobodde. Amagezi gaba mangi.
We are not playing anyone.
Sikabadi.
Oddayo ddi ku ssomero?
Yes, so now, I'll go my. Let's all what, like, let me first finish what's in my mind, then later I'll go to school.
Bubaka ki bw'olina ebivairo? Bubaka ki bw'olina ebivairo n'abakuvuma?
Like how?
Last message.
Last message.
To Vairota and those people who talk bad things about you on the internet.
For those who talk about me on the internet, those who abuse, please don't abuse me. I'm not beautiful. What? I'm the real African black lady of Africa. So for you go there, bleach. No, I'm not that type to bleach.
Silverback Lounge awo ku Salama Road kyekifo ekigenda okukuwa emirembe gwateekateeka birthday party. Olina meeting za kwanjula jangu otweyune. Tulina restaurant efumba emmere eya wano nebunaayira. Tulina washing bay, emmotoka evaawo etukula n'akafo akalungi ak'okuwummuliramu. Tulina kakaawa akalungi kale gwe wenna ateekateeka omukolo gw'engeri yonna weeyune. Silverback Lounge ku Salama Road okuliraana Makindye Secondary School. Tugoberere ku social media sites zaffe ku TikTok, Facebook, Instagram ng'era tukola essaawa 24. Tukola deliveries ku Jumia ne Glovo. Tufune ku noti 755 322 755 noti ngeye eri ku WhatsApp oba noti 2 noti 994 emu. Silverback Lounge, the peak of enjoyment.
I feel guilty about it.
Waliwo abisaabala. Embeera bye twakuwuliddeko ebyo abadde omuntu wo Vairota biri bitya sofa kati omuntu akulaba biri bitya biri mu mbeera ki?
Tuli awo naye. Things are not yet done.
Things are not yet done.
Yeah.
Bazadde bo bali wa Shero? Lwaki lwaki tebalabise ennyo mu nsonga zino ez'olubuto lwa Vairota?
They are not those people of TikTok or internet what. They are not of that type. Yeah.
Singa bakimanya kolooza banaakola ki? Oba Vairota banaamukola ki?
See, someone showed my dad. Like someone told my dad about that, and I called my mom, then asked. Okay, my mom was the first to ask me, but what's happening? They are telling us this and this is happening. What your dad wants to come? What for this? And I was like, no, what? All what I'm doing is just a prank. There's nothing happening. So they are to know it's going to be something like.
Waliwo abagamba mu mbeera eno nti Sharon oli mu mawulire Vairota yakusasula mukola amawulire si bituufu taba nk'omuntu wo. Takusasula nko?
How can you pay me money then I take him to police?
Nti gano mawulire Vairota kyava yavuddeyo mukomera mu bwangu. Abantu bamulaba is out of the jail. Wow.
He's going back.
Addayo ddi?
Okay.
Ate lwaki omuzzaayo nga gwe mwali mwamugjayo?
Mwamuwa police bond.
Just a police bond. Like he told me the mom was not feeling well. She had been admitted to the hospital. That's why I had to leave him. And also he had a show that night in Box, so I could not make him like to miss his show. I had to talk to the police and they left him. Police bond. I just know the issue is not yet done.
But do you love him, or were you guys in love, or you just had a one night stand?
It's not a one night stand. Because a one night stand is like you just sleep with you meet that night and sleep with the person, then leave. So I was like, we have been talking, we meet. It's not one night stand.
So mubadde mubeera mwena.
Yeah.
Omanyi ne ewaka wuwe oba lodge?
No, he has never taken me to the lodge. We go home.
Okay.
Kati mu kumuwa bondi bamugamba ki nga bamuwa bondi?
Ensonga zaffe.
Abamu bagamba tobadde na lubuto ofeeki ng'olimba toli lubuto.
Anti bayogere.
Okay.
Tebibakwatako.
Okay. So olubuto ogenda kizuula nti lwali lwa myezi emeka oba bbanga ki?
was almost making a month.
Eh.
Yeah.
kati ki ekyasinga okuluma ennyo okutwala Violet mu komere kyasinga okuluma ennyo?
Remove my baby and when I didn't know. Because me, I wanted to be a mom.
At your age?
How old are you?
I'm 18 years. Don't tell me that no one has ever given birth with 18 years. They are even 17, 16.
Okay.
So I'm old enough to be a mom.
So you're taking him back to police over what?
Yeah, of course he has to go back for what he did.
So now what is the case? The police is taking down this man again.
And tomorrow you'll go to police and sit there. Because I know people will be there. So
Okay,
I think they'll check out.
for you, what do you want from Violet?
What do I want from him? That's not. I can't
Ki
answer.
ky'omwagaza?
Ki ky'omwagalako kati? Kuwulidde?
No,
Kalwaki tomusonyiwa?
it's not like no one should decide for me to forgive Violet. It's me to decide. No one can tell me what do you want from him. Why can't you forgive?
Or you still love him?
No? I used to, but for now I don't love Violet.
So if he comes, he pleads, my woman, my girlfriend, forgive me. Tochayagala.
Ladies are there once in it. Let them come for me. I'm done.
Okay.
Omuwadde abalala?
Ladies are there.
Eh?
Let me go further. Now I'm done.
Gwe tokyamwagala Violet. Kati ku byakutukako ne bino eby'olubuto okuvaamu n'ebisigadde lesson ki gy'oyigamu gwe ng'omwana omuwala? Kuba kati abayimbi bavuddeyo.
It's too bad to trust strangers. Not even strangers. Whether someone is your boyfriend, don't trust someone. And please, this message goes to girls. Even though you have a boyfriend, don't accept a boy to sleep with you just like that without any protection or what. At least tell a boy to use protection on you. Because that thing I'm going to withdraw, what, it's only causing you problems. You don't know.
Nawe yali yakugamba agenda ku withdrawing.
Nah, that's our thing.
Ku streets abantu engambo zibadde zitambula